how to use Yelp to discover new places. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to find new restaurants, cafe or cool spots nearby, well in this video I'll show you how to use Yelp to discover amazing places wherever you are. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Yelp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can check out the nearby or explore section to see the popular spots around you. So here, to do that, you can just tap on more, and here you can simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as everything. And here, once you tap on it, it will show you all the result of the nearby popular location. And here you can just tap on any businesses to read reviews, check photos and get all info you need before visiting. And here you can also use the filters to narrow down the option by choosing the rating, price and open now. And here make sure that you have set your location correctly. And here if you found the place that you like, you can just tap on the bookmark icon to save it to your collection for easy access later. And that's it. That's how you can use Yelp to discover new and exciting places near you. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.